My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications and fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Lso2.xyz. Lso2.xyz is a new deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to trick its visitors into clicking on a special button supposedly to update Google Chrome, but in reality it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on any buttons like that, because this is a fake Chrome update alert. In case this fake Chrome update is installed, the browser may be hijacked with unwanted browser extensions such as adware type extensions or browser hijackers. Anyway, these pop-ups by Lso2.xyz are absolutely faulty and deceptive, so you shouldn't trust them. Stay away from downloading or installing anything that they suggest. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, you should access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching and investigating your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.